Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewinder Shed. This is today's, one of today's projects here. Got an old lawnmower. Um, I got a few videos up when I made the purple lawnmower. I had 7 of them that were in various stages of, pieces and parts and everything. And so I put that purple one together for the wife. Um, that was a few years ago, and this was another one that I pieced together at the same time. But haven't used it too much. I did start it the other day, and here we got a few problems with it, and I'm gonna try and fix it first. And what we got here is the primer is all cracked, and pull the air cleaner off here, and that's not that's a not optimally looking thing right there, you know. And next thing we got is right here. That's all cracked and rotted and nasty. But what I did do, and what I do have, is I have a whole brand new carburetor kit and tank for it. And this comes with the new air filter. Comes with the tank and the carburetor, and that's the exact same thing that's on here. Somebody's already replaced that, came with the engine, whatever. Someone's been in there before, but there's that little piece. And believe it or not, it comes with a whole package. We got spare parts. So what I'm going to try first is to replace that, put that piece on, see how she runs. It's got new gaskets, so if you just want to replace the carburetor, you can do that. And it's got a little package in here with a set of springs, different sets of springs for it. But yeah, so what I'm going to try to do first is just replace the parts that I need and see how it runs. And if not, no, it comes with a spark plug too, brand new spark plug. So I'm going to try and replace these parts first to see how she runs. If that don't work, I'll replace the whole thing. In the meantime, I know I got another one of these engines hanging around that I know is going to need a tank and a new carburetor. And then the only piece I'll have to find is just that little rubber piece right there. Now, I've never replaced one of these primers before, but kind of looks like you just have to go in here and crimp and squeeze. There we go. Looks like you just got to kind of find a way to squeeze that little collar together, or even if I break it, don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. Anyway, instead of me standing right in front of the camera in your way, let me see if I can figure out how to get this started, and I'll show you what happens. Okay, so let me see if I can show you what I'm doing. Basically, it does slide out. You just got to kind of press those in, and then just kind of work it out a little bit here, because she is a little sticky. But there we go. There, just all the gunk and stuff in there, and there she is. So we take this one, these 2 slots there. Yeah, I don't have any carburetor cleaner or anything, but let's see if we can't get this one back in. Hopefully I'm not standing too far in the way. There, push that in. There we go. There we go. Clipped in. Now that's working. And see about getting this little piece on there. Spin. There we go. Got that locked up in there. And next we'll see about getting some gas in her and starting her up. I'll put the new air filter in here. This is nothing but just some foam rubber. Get that snapped on there good. And I know some people soak it with oil, but for right now I'm not going to do that. That's something we can do later. And we'll just put this in. Put some gas in her. And see what she does. I'll bring you back here in just a second. Okay, we're back. I put some gas in her, and I don't know. I don't think this primer is working, but I just don't feel it. Sounds like it's still sucking air. Oh well, we'll give it a shot. See what it does. Well, for piecing it together out of old junk parts and then adding just a couple of new pieces on it from another carburetor kit that was hanging around, I call that a win. That ain't bad at all. Alright, cool. Thank you all for subscribing, for watching. I appreciate all my viewers. I appreciate all my subs. I appreciate everyone that shows up. And thank you so much. And I'm going to call that quits for that project. And next thing I got is a rototiller to work on. So, oh yeah, and burn up all that cardboard. That's actually in the fire pit, but I want to cut the grass around the fire pit first. And then I'll be burning up all that cardboard. Alrighty. Appreciate it. You all have yourselves a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.